Ladies and gentlemen, today we take you on a brief yet captivating journey to Noor Mahal, a stunning palace in Bahawalpur, Punjab, Pakistan. Built in 1872 by Nawab Sadiq Muhammad Khan IV. Noor Mahal is a testament to the grandeur and architectural elegance of its time. The palace was designed by a British engineer, combining elements of Italian, Corinthian, and Islamic styles into a unique and captivating structure. Covering 44,600 square feet, Noor Mahal boasts a grand central hall, several verandas, and exquisitely designed rooms showcasing the opulence of the era. Inside, you'll find an array of rooms, each more beautiful than the last, adorned with antique furniture, luxurious draperies, and elaborate frescoes. Several expansive verandas offer panoramic views of the surrounding gardens, perfect for taking in the serene beauty of Noor Mahal. A visit to Noor Mahal is a step back in time, a peek into the rich history and artistic grandeur of Bahawalpur. Don't miss this timeless treasure.